Hey guys, TecTimmy here. So in this video, I am going to be unboxing and taking a first look at a couple different products from Voltme. The good folks at Voltme were kind enough to send me over their REVO series PO fast charger, as well as this very cool looking travel power USB and power strip called the VITO Go. So this is the VITO series. This one is from their REVO series. So without further ado, let's get these out of the box, take a first look, and I'll give you my first impressions, and we'll also do a little bit of a rundown of the specs and so forth. Let's go.
Oh boy, it's TecTimmy time.
All right, so I think we'll start with the little guy first. I'm going to put that over here for now. And so we'll start with the REVO series. Got my bat knife out here. I'm going to try not to cut myself and or rip these nice looking boxes. So the packaging looks excellent from Voltme. Looks legit. Kudos to their marketing team. Nice job, guys. This stuff looks really professional, well done from someone that does a ton of unboxings. So this is their fast charger. So it's the REVO 30 Mini 2 GAN. If you guys know what that means, leave a comment down below. I feel like I did know what that meant at one point. So Jan Tech charger. Maybe that could just be a marketing thing, maybe. And then so the model is the REVO 30. I said that REVO 30 Mini. And then so we have some different specs here. So the output USB, so it's USB-C. That's the important thing. And let's just take this out of the box and take a peek here. My understanding is that this is super fast charging for your devices. So let's just take a first look and see what this looks like. All right, so here we go. So here's the adapter, presumably. Let's just see. And oh wow! All right, so this has a premium feel to it for a USB adapter, as you guys can probably tell. So it's got the Voltme logo on the front here, and that's where we plug in our USB-C, and then a beautiful cable. In fact, wow, this is a really nice looking USB-C to C cable, and just for sake of completeness, we're gonna scrank that in right there. Really great looking cable. So it's got that braid to it, and then a really nice looking, will this actually stay on? I hope it does, because I love these. So a really nice cable management felt friend here. And so look at that. And length is solid. So length is, so it's not huge. And I like that because I don't like having a lot of extra cable around. And in terms of being able to charge up my USB-C devices, this is a beautiful looking cable and cord. So good on Voltme for this. I will put this to the test and actually give you, maybe I'll do a review in a couple months or something to let you know what I think about it. So subscribe if you want to see that. And then so in the box, rest of the box, we do have a little bit of documentation here. So we have our thank you card. Let's put that here. And then we have a welcome guide with very small type. And so, okay, plug it in, charge your devices, as easy as that. So good enough on this. Again, really good looking charger. This is supposed to be support super fast charging. So I like that a lot. And I am going to start using this as part of my day-to-day. And again, I will do a separate review later on that. Next, we have the VITO Go. Is it VITO or VITO? If anybody knows, again, drop a comment down below. I believe it's probably VITO. VITO Go, like the guy's name, VITO. And then interesting, so it's talking about a cable here, and then the box again, well done. We have, so in the box we have a cord, charging, okay, supports laptops, of course, for fast charging. So this is ideal if you're traveling and you don't want to bring your big power brick with you, but yet you still want ample inputs to charge your devices. So let's just get this out of the box here and take a closer look at what we've got. So again, the box is really well done. There's some specs on the back here that talks about what we actually get, but we'll pull it out of the box and actually really hammer the point home in terms of what this looks like. So I am going to, so we got the outer wrap off with the knife. And then here, again, this just feels like the company really paid attention to detail in terms of unboxing experience. And I really like that a lot. I really appreciate that. That little guy fell off. There was kind of a bummer. But now this, just a little tabby thing, pulling that, slides out beautifully, nice and easy. And there's the box, and whoop, we'll get rid of that. All right, and then here we just have a piece of plastic on the top we pull off. And again, packaged so nice in here, right? So we have protective plastic on everything. Another nice one of those Velcro friend things to wrap the cord. Nice long cord, which is awesome, particularly for me. When I work remotely, if I'm traveling, I almost always now try and emulate sort of a stand-up desk. So I will use a dresser and maybe even flip the drawers over and put my keyboard on top of that. So I need some ample cord, and this has it. So this is probably, is it as tall as me? Is it, how many feet of cord here? It looks like 6 feet of cord. So that's amazing. So very cool on that. And then this is the hollow brick itself, obviously. But let's just see what else we have in here. And I don't know what. Oh, there we go. So that just plops off here. And then I'll bet this is a tchotchke of some type. Let's just see. So it's a little travel bag. Very nice. And it, again, feels premium. I will use this when I travel. I generally don't use these little bags or whatever, but this looks nice and be super convenient to actually put that in there, fold it up and have it be good to go. And then here, I'll bet is a, this is another cable. Look at that. So they also include a beautiful looking C2C cable as well with the felt. I call these Velcro friends here on the outside. So the cable management is I love that. And the fact that it stays on the cord, you don't lose it. You're always able to wrap it up and pack it up nicely, which is just a boon if you're traveling. So we'll put that here. We'll show the VOTLME logo for those guys. Again, thank you to VOTLME for sending this over. Greatly appreciate it. And I apologize it's taking me so long to get this to get this done, but I've been a little bit backlogged. All right, so here we have how many AC outlets here? 1, 2, 3, all nice and big. And this is again, it has a premium feel to it. And then a lot of these devices tend to skimp when it comes to USB-C, I've noticed. It could just be that they haven't caught up with the times. This is not the case with this one, obviously, because we have more USB-Cs than USBs. And I love that because everything's going USB-C. And then so we have, let's just, very cool. So we have, let's just recap here. 3 USB-Cs, 2 A's, and 1, 2, 3 power sockets. Now, I notice a lot of the Airbnbs I'm staying in are trying to do better about providing better power management, particularly because people are working remotely more and more, but a lot of them don't have it, surprisingly. And if you've got one outlet on your bedside table, say, you can't charge your phone, your watch, your iPad, your laptop, whatever you have, and this would be ideal for that. Basically plug this in, put it on your bedside table, and there you go. And again, like I said, I'm going to use this as a power brick. When I work, I set up my laptop, and then I'll be able to plug in my other devices as well, including my tablet, and then also my Apple Watch and my iPhone. Brilliant. So good on VOTLME. And again, I want to thank them for sending this out. This is not a sponsored video, and all opinions are my own, but I do thank them for sending me these products over. Documentation looks solid. This is mostly a formality. If you don't know how to use one of these things, then we have bigger problems. So that is it on the VOTLME power brick, and then also the fast charging brick as well. Where'd that go? There we go. This guy. So 2 premium products from a company that is obviously caring about the details and making the presentation look just absolutely amazing. Again, the proof is in the pudding. I will do a more thorough review of this at some point later on down the line. But for now, just an unboxing to show you guys what these things look like. Hope this video helped. If it did, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, I appreciate it. It helps out the channel a lot. And please subscribe for a fun take on tech. I do all sorts of tech videos. See you in the next one. Cheers.